This is chapter 1 of Hack the Law of Attraction, the Quantum Code to the Mastermind System. The name of this chapter is Fully Know What is the Law of Attraction. Quote, if you wish to know the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. End quote, by Nikola Tesla. This chapter is designed to give you a more accurate picture of how this stupendous law works. There are new understandings in the field of quantum mechanics that provide light and teach you how it truly works. First and foremost, you must understand that the laws of physics tell you that life is a merciless mirror. This thought suggests that these energies you don't trust show you an unresolved part of the self. What you need is this. You must create a system that builds you up as a person. First, you must understand your creative ability. It includes your thoughts, your words, both spoken and your actions. Also, your creative power is defined by the habits that form your character and your 24/7 DNA vibrations. Your ingrained thinking patterns will program your DNA to autopilot the suggestive frequencies you give it. Hyper-awareness is key. You must be aware of your bloodline manifestations and how they mirror your own. Also, your environment is hyper-relevant. Again, you must create a system that builds you up as a person. There is a system that can help you harness your creative ability to draw out and create your highest vision of self. It is a protocol, not a quick fix pill. But it is, in my opinion, the shortest route from what you are to what you want. The law of attraction is a hypnotizing force. The law of magnetic attraction is also the law of friction. Both forces work to create a magnetic rhythm. It forces the energetic environment to match as close as possible within the energetic context of a time and space. Consider if you happen to be in a good place where you are vibrating high and feeling good, say a 9 on a scale from 1 to 10. You then come in contact with an individual in whatever environment. They are negative and a 4 on the scale. The law of attraction or hypnotic magnetic rhythm will force a subconscious action among the parties in play to match their energy. Thus, your 9 will go down to 6.5 and the other party in the same space will be forced up to a 6.5 on the scale. Be aware of your surroundings, for they will either make or break you. Did I mention that you need a system that builds you up as a person? Again, this concept also tells you that life, via the laws of physics, says that the world you live in is an unrelenting mirror presenting you as precisely who you are. The law of attraction is also the law of friction. Both forces are physically manifest as the law of magnetic rhythm. Both attraction and friction will create a gravitational field in you and your environment. Raising your energy changes your frequency. Resistance or dissonance will occur if your surroundings don't match your energy. Your environment will literally siphon your energy to level the playing field. Your energy will repel those who are not like you. At a subconscious or quantum level, life forces a subconscious action within the parties at play, which will force a separation violently. To clarify, the law of attraction will first level the field of energy within the confines of a space with bodies of mass. Ultimately, the law of magnetic attraction will force a separation between bodies of mass if their energy is highly polarized. This phenomenon sometimes happens violently. The law of attraction, first and foremost, will staunchly resist change. It is not a magic wand that is supposed to make your dreams come true. It can't. It is you who must learn to efficiently use it to activate your gravitational field to magnetize the desired results. The changes within you force the law of attraction to move the universe in your direction to match your broadcast patterns. Your life is an exact mirror of your entire energetic structure. This principle teaches you that the law of attraction will, at first, stop you from changing when you decide you want something different. It will literally hypnotize and block your energy outputs in place. Nikola Tesla described it like this, quote, "The same inexorable agents that prevent a mass from changing suddenly, its velocity will likewise resist the force of new knowledge until time gradually modifies human thought." End quote. This concept teaches you that integrating new knowledge and understanding how quantum physical laws work is essential. Also, a grueling and persistent introduction into the subconscious of your next highest vision of yourself is hyper important to change your center of gravity. This process is powerful because the forces of nature are meek compared to the forces of the mind. This concept influenced Nikola Tesla to say that each individual is, quote, gear in the will work of the universe, and that your influence extends into infinite distance. End quote. Yes, the energy of thoughts permeates all time and space. The law of attraction is always listening. It is hyper relevant to be constantly aware and use easy techniques to keep resonating the frequency that will magnetize what you desire. Limiting beliefs ingrained over time acts as a disservice and repels your desired life. This is why it is important to harness new thinking patterns that support your new visions of self. Of course, your limiting beliefs will not dissolve overnight, but with consistent action and effort, they can be replaced by a stronger thinking pattern. Remember, all beliefs and thinking patterns are manifested in your brain as dendrites and massive neural connections created via experience and life. The nature of these vibrations within these dendrites is powerful and has strong magnetic gravitational force. It hypnotizes your reality to mirror to you what you believe. Yes, this is why the quality of your philosophy about life will intrinsically reflect the quality of your life. Thus, if your life sucks, it is because your thinking sucks. As you are sitting right now, you are emitting frequencies that are programming your reality. Your energy is literally serving as a tuning fork and hypnotizing your environment to match what you are giving it. As your environment matches your collective vibratory structure, your environment also serves as a stronger tuning fork, forcing your energy to match it. You cannot help but be entangled by the set vibrational outputs of your environment. Quantum entanglement tells you that your environment and connection to other bodies of mass feed you a continuous and perpetual loop of energy, cementing more strongly the most predominant vibrations in your space of creation or daily reality. This is why birds of the same feather flock together. It is why you are the average of your 5 best friends. It is why if you hang out around 5 failures, you will become the 6th one. In turn, if you expose yourself and surround yourself with successful people, you will eventually become successful. Yes, your frequency must be reset to the new vibratory environment you desire. How? Your vessel of energy will be naturally drawn into the new environment you desire once you have broadcasted enough energy. Your request or vision must reach critical mass. Then, the inexorable patterns preventing you from changing will be modified by the new frequency you are giving it. Then, the energy will stick and grow via time and magnetic gravitational force. Your vision will grow big enough in your energetic field and create it. Then the sea of space, via magnetic waves, will naturally guide your vessel in the direction you gave it. Yes, you have awesome power. Everything is energy, and space is not nothing. In fact, it is everything. Nothing is everything because all atomic structures is defined by the coded energy within the empty space of each particle. A particle consists of 99.99% empty space, but empty space is not nothing, and it consists of an unfathomable amount of energy. It is your frequencies that affect the 0-point energy field of infinite energy. Your thoughts, emotions, and everything around you is the same energy. It is you who gives it shape. Remake your matrix as you see fit. You can do it. You are intrinsically connected to the entire universe around you. This is not philosophy, but it is physics. Nikola Tesla said you, unquote, are an engine geared into the wheelwork of the universe, and your influence extends into infinite distance, end quote. The sea of space reacts to everything you are vibrating. This space is always picking up everything you are thinking and saying. The challenge is learning how to work with it. This is why it has always been said that God is always listening, that God hears all prayers, that God is present at all times, since God is everything, and there's nothing that God is not. It has been said that God is also all-knowing. In fact, the laws of quantum physics prove there is a field of the universe where all potential reality exists. Quantum mechanics calls this concept quantum superposition. Do you have to become an expert physicist to understand how your mind interacts with the mind of God? Of course not. This knowledge of God has always been known, but unfortunately, it has been terribly misinterpreted. I go into much detail about these things in my other books, Blueprint for Immortality, The Quantum Code for Life's Secrets to Success, and Life is a Game, The Quantum Code for Life's Principles for Success. In this book, I will give you a basic premise of how to use the quantum code to help you use clearly defined principles and codes for life that you can use to activate in your gravitational field your highest vision of self and make it happen. In fact, this book will give you a strong foundation and teach you how to hack the law of attraction to work for you and to work fast for you effectively. Your dreams will come true.